Volume DSP Honest Review. Watch before using. In this video, we'll dive into the Volume DSP, a robust demand-side platform designed specifically for digital advertisers looking to optimize their programmatic ad campaigns. With its powerful features, Volume DSP caters primarily to affiliate marketers, media buyers, and agencies aiming to maximize their ad spend efficiency. One of its standout features is real-time tracking, which provides you with immediate insights into campaign performance across multiple traffic sources. This allows for quick adjustments and data-driven decision-making, ensuring that your ads are always optimized for the best results. Volume DSP also offers advanced targeting options, including geo-targeting, device targeting, and audience segmentation, enabling you to reach the right users at the right time. This precision helps in improving conversion rates and minimizing wasted ad spend. Additionally, its intuitive interface makes it accessible even for those who may not have extensive experience in programmatic advertising. The dashboard is clean and user-friendly, allowing you to manage campaigns effortlessly. Another notable feature is the comprehensive reporting system. With detailed analytics, you can track key performance indicators, such as clicks, conversions, and return on investment, all in one place. The platform also supports A/B testing, allowing you to experiment with different ad creatives and placements to find the most effective combinations. This level of insight and flexibility is invaluable for anyone serious about scaling their advertising efforts. Moreover, Volume DSP integrates seamlessly with a variety of third-party tools and ad networks, giving you the flexibility to expand your reach across different channels. However, it's important to note that while Volume DSP is feature-rich, it may require a learning curve for new users. For those willing to invest the time to understand its capabilities, the potential rewards can be significant. In conclusion, if you're an affiliate marketer or agency looking to enhance your digital advertising strategy, Volume DSP provides a powerful toolkit for managing and optimizing campaigns effectively. With its real-time tracking, advanced targeting, and comprehensive analytics, it stands out as a top choice in the competitive landscape of programmatic advertising. However, be prepared to invest time in mastering the platform to unlock its full potential. Make sure to assess whether its features align with your specific advertising goals before diving in.